Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Jito. I wanted to do a quick video. I mean, I think I didn't cover it for the last 2 days. I'm not sure, but I mean, there also wasn't that much to cover. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame right now. I think we can switch to the 4 hour time frame. At 35, now we're seeing a little bit more bullish momentum from Bitcoin. So it's definitely possible that Jito still recovers. But overall, it's not looking great. Jito, at the very least, is not bullish. All right. So then also, if you look at some, that's not how I will find it. If you also look at some other numbers here regarding the open interest, what you'll see in the last week is that the open interest has also been down quite a bit. We obviously had a pretty big drop on Tuesday, but since then we had a bit of a recovery and another drop today. So it's not looking great for Jito. I would say, look, today is a little bit of a weird day, and obviously we're going into the new year, which is always a little bit of a weird period of time in terms of price movement. But no, I mean, the thing is I don't see enough bullish momentum to get a bullish breakout. Fundamentally, I am still bullish on Jito, and I've said that time and time again. So it's just at some point of time we're going to find a support level which is good enough to provide enough support to get a bullish breakout, and from that bullish breakout we can actually rally. I just don't think that's the time now, because even if we break above 2.35 right here, that is a bullish breakout, and GTO will be a little bit more bullish and it will consolidate. But it's probably not going to rally, and if it does, I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care.